There is a common belief that drinking water immediately after eating is unhealthy and can negatively impact digestion. This belief is mainly based on the idea that water dilutes the digestive juices, leading to impaired digestion and nutrient absorption. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support this claim. Drinking water after eating can even have some potential benefits. Number 1. Aiding digestion. Water can help in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients, especially when consuming foods high in fiber. Number 2. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and drinking water after a meal can contribute to maintaining proper hydration levels. Number 3. Appetite control. Drinking water after a meal may help you feel fuller and more satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating or snacking between meals. In general, it's best to listen to your body and drink water when you feel thirsty. If you find that drinking water right after a meal doesn't cause any discomfort or digestive issues, then it's likely not a problem for you. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.